People keep asking me, what do you mean by customized tours? Hi, my name is Ishan, and I'm the co-founder of a boutique travel agency called Travelscrabble, and this is our official channel. Well, now back to the question, what does customization mean? Simply put, it means your holiday your way. Still confused? Well, let me explain in 5 points why customization is good for you. With customization, we can ensure that your unique preferences and interests are taken into account. Let us hear what some of our guests have to say about this.
As we were traveling with kids, we told them that it would be better if places we visit are interesting for kids. After a long discussion over a con call, they suggested us a fun-filled travel plan and did wonderful arrangements.
So, as my brother-in-law was coming down from Singapore with his family, we wanted for them to experience something or some part of India which could actually be a really memorable one for them. So we got in touch with Travelscrabble and we told them that we would like to go for a trip, and it had to be a place which can really give us some experience of maybe a historical perspective. And also a beautiful place in terms of sightseeing and good food, really good food which they have never had before or never experienced before. Since of course they are coming down from Singapore, Travelscrabble gave us an option of Gujarat, which we found really apt because it was the run of Kutch festival time. And the place Gujarat is actually really vast. If you go to see, you can explore a lot of places there.
When you customize a tour, you can do away with rigid schedules and plan the day as per your choices.
Last year, somewhere in July-August, our group thought of planning a trip to Bangkok, Pattaya during Diwali vacation. First thing we did was we booked air tickets. Then we thought of getting things arranged from a travel company. So we approached Travelscrabble team. We had a long call with their representative. We discussed how our itinerary should be. As our dates were fixed, we requested them to set the itinerary within those dates.
A customized tour provides a more cost-effective option where we can take away unwanted expenses and focus on your preferences.
The Travelscrabble had organized for a nice bus which we took it around, and the whole trip was value for money. From start till the end, the whole trip was organized at a fixed cost, and we didn't even have to bother to give anything extra.
I think this point you need to hear from our guests.
So we decided on Gujarat, and I spoke to Travelscrabble, the executive of Travelscrabble, and believe me, it was the really best thing that we did. The whole trip was organized by Travelscrabble. We didn't have to bother about any bookings. The trip was stress-free, and we also had to just pack our suitcases and leave the house.
As you can see, with a customized tour, you can focus on creating your own memories while we take care of the rest.
We thank Travelscrabble for giving us such a lovely trip, and we take back with us a lot of memories. Thank you, Travelscrabble. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Rucha and Debina, for your kind words. We are so happy you enjoyed your holidays. Here are the 5 benefits of customized tours. Travelscrabble offers you customized tour solutions with end-to-end assistance. Visit our website for more information. Keep traveling, keep exploring.